What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed back to the junkyard because an RSX base model 5-speed just came in. Was probably yesterday because I got the notification today, but the car was burnt down, and I'm hoping that somebody didn't pull the 5-speed trans out of it, because I really want to go back to 5-speed in Project Blueberry and pull my Type S trans out of that. But I'm headed to the junkyard now. It's about 20 miles or so, and I'm gonna see if I can try to score that transmission. Now what sucks is last night I had gotten an email that said 40% off everything in the junkyard in July, but we're still in June. And I don't want to wait because it might just be gone. So I'm headed there now. I'll see you guys in the junkyard. The car that I'm looking for is in like row 131 or something. CRV table still in here, but can't touch it because they're working on putting it into the rows. So I'm gonna go straight to this RSX, and I'm not focused on walking the entire yard until we secure what we're looking for. Why this car gotta be in the furthest part of the junkyard? I'm literally almost at the end. I wish I had that Gorilla cart right now. I really do. 127. I'm at the end here, and that's row 90. Where the hell's row 131? Okay, so this entire section is new because the 90 is the other row of imports. This is a third row of imports, and 134 we have the RSX. Whew. This thing is charred up. We found it just in a new row. Whew, smells pretty bad too. Hybrid racing hoses, aftermarket radiator, probably hybrid too, but everything plastic is literally gone. But hopefully the transmission's still good. Almost forgot about the ECU. 0204 PND, great for K-Pro. The harness is already fried, so I'm just gonna cut it. And this also allows me to have pins in case I need to pin or repin a K-series plug. So go ahead and just snip these off. P&D. So I got most of the stuff on the top off already. I just need to go underneath to take off the shield right there, and then drop the subframe so we can drop the transmission straight to the 4. We're not going to pull the engine out because there's just a lot of stuff attached to it, and I'm really just needing the transmission. So I'm going to get down there real quick. There's only one bolt left that I need to take off, and it's right here in the back somewhere. And then we can take off the motor mount and tilt the engine to drop the trans. If you guys remember Project 88, Tony had sent me EG6 goodies for Project Blueberry, and he's been requesting 02, 04 RSX parts, and one of the main things that he wanted was the taillights. And on his car he has some eBay units. He wanted some OE, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab these for him and send them to Norway. Yeah, so we just went from that crane back there. You can see the trail mark all the way here. Hopefully I have enough foam to make it all the way to the register. Let's go. Guys, what a mission. Look at this. Environmental fee and tax is $95 by itself. $95 by itself. 43, 29, 51, 19. I paid $487 with two $20 certificate when the total was $527.73. Transmission did go up in price. They matched it to the automatic transmission. The standard was cheaper. Now it's at $249.99 plus a $30 core. So that plus the tail lights, $34.99 each. And the ECU itself, $58.99 plus $5, and then the half shaft is 19 bucks. It's gone up in price, but at the end of the day, I'm hoping to make money back on the computer and both the tail lights. 300 bucks for the transmission is still a really good deal, because 5-speed EP3 and R6 base has been hard to find, and 6 speeds are just going up for way more now. If you guys saw the previous Junkyard video, we scored the K20Z1 transmission and the engine itself, and I paid about 830 bucks. Transmission itself was sold for $1,200, which is why the $800 price tag wasn't too bad for me. Even though I used to pay in the 600s, I get it, I understand. So at the end of the day, we got a 5-speed trans finally, and we're gonna swap that into Blueberry hopefully soon, and then obviously fix the VTEC and put it back on the dyno. Right now I'm gonna head home. There's not much more I'm going to do, because I believe in the previous video I had mentioned that I'm really just trying to spend these next couple of days cleaning things up around the house, and just so happen to have a notification for this RSX. So I think I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. Another Junkyard run. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and hopefully we'll pick up back here on the channel, and I hope you guys stick around and hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.